Look! A sea urkel. Round and round. Now look! A square. 4 sides, all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! A triangle. 3 pointy corners. Whee! 1, 2, 3. Wow! A STR. 5 points, shining bright. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And finally, a HERT. Circle, square, triangle, star, and heart. Yeah. An oval. Long and round. An oval. Long and round. A rectangle. Long sides, short sides. A diamond. It sparkles so bright. A pentagon. 5 sides all around. A hexagon. 6 sides. We learned all the shapes. Yay! A crescent. Like the moon at night. A cross. Up and across. An arrow. Pointing this way. A trapezoid. Big on the bottom. A sphere. Round like a ball. We learned ALL the shapes. Yay! An Octagon. 8 sides, just like a stop sign. A cube. It has 6 flat sides. A cylinder. Round like a can. A cone. Pointy on top. A pyramid. Pointy at the top. We learned ALL the shapes. Yay!